Today I'm going to a place in the Pacific Ocean to show you the location where this right here, perhaps the most famous picture of World War II, where this picture was taken. It's a picture of 6 Marines raising the United States flag on an island by the name of Iwo Jima. So I'm going to type in right here, Iwo Jima, Japan. We're going to go there. It's about 600 miles south of Japan. It was here along this 2-mile stretch of beach that the Marines landed to take the island. But right up in here, what they called Green Beach, was the job of the 5th Marine Division, 28th Marine Regiment, and 2nd Battalion. Once they landed here on Green Beach, their job was to go across, basically cut off the head of the island, and then eventually take this right here, this Mount Suribachi. Now, they landed on February 19th, 1945, and it took them several days to get across the island because the Japanese resistance was so strong. But on February 23rd, 5 days after they landed, they started to climb Mount Suribachi here, and they made it to the top. And the exact location where the photo was taken is right here, where the hand is. There's a monument there. This photo should show it. One of these photos will show the monument. This here is the monument, and pretty much the photographer was standing right about very close to where this photographer was standing when they took this picture. And of course the flag was off to the left when they lifted it up, and if you look close at some of the old film footage, you can see some of the water in the background, and I'll show that to you right now. Here's the photo. It's hard to see the water back there, but it is back in here, and the beach is, landing beach is right up in here. But if we go to the actual film footage of it, you can watch this, and you can see right in here, there's the water, and this is the island, and this is how they raised it. Of course, this was the second flag raising. The first flag raising took place earlier, but the flag was small, so they decided to put a bigger flag up, and that would be the second flag raising where the famous picture was taken. I'll show that to you one more time. So here they go. Start to bring it up. There's the water. There's the island. Landing beach is down in here. And there you have it. 6 Marines raising the American flag on top of Mount Suribachi on Iwo Jima. Now, Mount Suribachi is basically a dormant volcano that sits about 554 feet tall from the surface of the ocean, and they had to walk up the front of it. Once they cut the island head off and pretty much stopped enough resistance, they were able to walk up the front of it and get to this point right here and raise the flag. Iwo Jima ended up being the most costly battle for the United States Marine Corps, where over 6,800 Marines were killed and about 21,000 were wounded. I believe out of the 22,060 Japanese soldiers that were on the island, 18,844 of them were killed in this battle for Iwo Jima. So there you have it, the precise location of perhaps the most famous picture of World War II, of the American flag being raised on top of Mount Suribachi on the island of Iwo Jima, right here from Google Earth.